In this video, I'll show you how to change your Outlook email password. If you want to update the password for your Outlook account, the process is simple, but it depends on what kind of password you want to change. In most cases, Outlook uses your Microsoft account password, so changing that password will also update the one you use for Outlook email. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft account sign-in page. Sign in using your Outlook email address and your current password. Once you're logged in, look for the security section in your account settings. In that area, choose the option to change your password. Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity before allowing any changes. For example, it might send a code to your phone number, recovery email, or an authentication app. Enter the code to continue. After verification, type your current password first, then enter your new password. Re-enter the new password again to confirm it. Try to create a password that is strong but easy for you to remember. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Update. Your Outlook password is now changed. After that, you may need to sign in again on your devices. This includes the Outlook app on your phone, the desktop Outlook program, or any mail app where your Outlook account is connected. If you see a sign-in error after changing the password, simply remove the old saved password and enter the new one. One important thing to remember is this. If you use a work or school Outlook account, your organization may manage the password settings. In that case, the steps can be a little different, and you may need to change your password through your company or school portal instead of the standard Microsoft account page. And that's it. That's how to change your Outlook email password quickly and securely. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.